In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Uber app keep stopping error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if your Uber app keeps stopping when you try to open it, or sometimes even when it is not in use, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In most cases, you are experiencing this because Uber app has experienced a glitch. To fix this, first go to settings on your phone. From settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. Tap on it to open. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber by name, tap on it, and here go to force stop, okay, go to clear data and clear cache, okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and once you are done, go to Google Play Store, search for your Uber app, check if you have any update, and update your app to the latest version to fix this. Now when you open your Uber app, now you shouldn't get this error. However, at this point, if you still encounter the same error, then most likely your Uber app might have bugs. To fix this, you will need to uninstall your Uber app and then install it afresh to fix this, to clear all bugs that might be associated with your Uber app. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, please comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.